Greetings, Christopher Avery here. This is a short tutorial on using the promo code for the Leadership Gift Program. I am on the.leadershipgift.com and I can hit this plans button right here to quickly go to the membership plans. We have two membership plans, $97 per month, $9.97 per year. And I'm going to right click on each of these to go right to the registration page for your credit card details and the place to use the promo code. So for the monthly plan, the promo code goes right under order summary, and it's all lowercase GROW. Hit apply, and you can see that it is applied to the first month. Similarly with the annual plan, $997 per year, which is what most corporations prefer rather than having monthly receipts from you. It's also, of course, less expensive if you know that you're going to be with us for a while. Again, all lowercase GROW. And I know somewhere we posted this in uppercase, so that could be certainly an issue that you might have experienced. And this shows, again, $100 off the first year, $997. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and if you have any issues, don't hesitate to let us know. We are here for you. Thank you.